everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you're here with me today, and this is a video that I'm actually really excited about because it's a collaboration. I am collaborating with my friend Danzey, as she's known, and she is one of my dearest friends. She's amazing. She works out consistently. She lives a very healthy lifestyle, and she offered to make me this workout video. So she's gonna walk us through everything that we need to do to get this really good workout in. She does all kinds of stuff, bar, and a bunch of different stuff. I've never seen this video. She made it for me on YouTube, and so go check out her actual video, go check out her channel. But I'm gonna let you guys kind of watch me do the video just like you would be doing it at home. So I'm hoping this is gonna be really fun for all of us and that we're gonna get a good workout. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first problem. So she said she has weights and she recommends some that are no more than 2 pounds because of what we're about to do. Oh, what can I use? Like, hang on, I gotta find some 2-pound weights. I'm thinking water bottles. I know that's probably not 2 pounds, but the weights I have are 10 pounds and that's not gonna work. Hang on. You guys, what am I doing? Okay, Cameron is gonna my little brother is gonna crack up at this if he's watching. So I've been making kombucha and I really needed some bottles, so I got some from him, and I think they're about 2 pounds. So I just filled them up with water, and they're the same size. I wanted something that was going to be the same size, so do what you can with what you have, right guys?
It's going to be a fun time where we're going to do our routine. So, and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
I don't know what you call these.
Down. You're going to go back into a lunge and tap up. So 2 times and tap other 2 times.
Oh, this is nice. Guys, her leggings are really cute. Sun salutations. Hang on, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. Jump, step back into a plank. Huh? Okay, let's try to keep going. Adironda? What?
Step it in 1, 2.
Step it in 1, 2, and repeat that. Step it in with your right leg. You know what? Why am I wearing slippers? Hang on. This is probably going to be so much easier without them. Yes, I'm warmed up. I need water. Hang on. I think I hear my pig getting into trouble. Okay. Let's keep going. This is so not the way you should work out. Don't stop in the middle of your workouts. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. I don't know if I want these weights. I don't want to work my arms. Get rid of the weights, guys. No weights. Oh, that might be more than the amount I needed. Oh, yeah. One. I'm a sissy. That was too much. Ooh, bar. So I don't have a wall, but I have a chair. I used to do ballet, so I'm really excited about this. This is my kind of workout. Engage that core, y'all. Stretch it out. Oh, she meant like that. Okay, now I can stretch it out. Oh! Oh, man. We're almost done. This has been good, it's just hard. Stand up. Okay. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I feel absolutely nauseous right now. So this is going to be short and sweet and to the point. Emma, thank you so much for making this video. If you have never heard of Emma Danzey, please go check her out. She's a good friend of mine. Like I said, I will link all of her information below. Yeah, Emma, you're incredible. I cannot believe that that was just you taking it easy on me, and obviously I really need to get it together. So if you're like me and you feel like it's time for you to start somewhere, maybe go start with her video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because this is just one of many videos in this series. I think I'm going to straighten my hair this weekend, so stay tuned for that video, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.